Namaste children. Today in this class we are going to solve the problems from worksheet number 1, question number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 under the chapter algebraic expression. If possible, we are going to solve multiplication of binomials. We are going to understand how to multiply a monomial and a binomial. As you know, we have solved the problems from worksheet 1, first main, that is multiplying the monomials. In 3 mains, we have done the same. But today in this class, we are going to multiply or solve the question which is find the product of 1 by 2 x to the power of 3 into minus 10x into 1 by 5 x square. Here we know how to finding the product means we have to multiply these monomials, children. After multiplying, we are supposed to verify the result for x is equal to 1. What is this verify the result for x is equal to 1? That means we have to substitute in place of x the number 1, children, and then we have to verify whether LHS is equal to RHS. Then you will ask me the question, which is the LHS or left hand side, children? The question which is given is considered as a LHS, and after solving this, that means after multiplying these monomials, what answer you get is considered as RHS, children. Let us know how to solve these type of questions. Fourth question is, let me write here. Find the product of 1 by 2 x cube minus 10x 1 by 5 x square. This is question number 4, children. Here we have to multiply or find the product. We know how to multiply these monomials. First we have to group 1 by 2 into minus 10 into 1 by 5. So we are going to group the constants in one bracket, and in the next brackets we are going to group the variables. Which are the variables, children? Which are common variables, like x cube into x square. Here you can observe, when writing the constants, I have considered the negative sign. You should not forget the negative sign, children. Here, after writing the constants, we are going to cancel if it is possible. 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. Why did I cancel minus 10 here? Because minus 10 is nothing but minus 10 by 1. 2 is in the denominator, minus 10 is in the numerator. With 2 table, 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. Again you have 5 and 5 here, 5 ones are 5. Minus you should not leave, children. This is minus 1. Again here 5 ones are 5. So what is left in the numerator? Minus 1 divided by minus 1, which is again minus 1, x to the power of 3 into x to the power of nothing is there, which is equal to 1 into x to the power of 2. When bases are same, you should add the powers. 3 plus 1 plus 2, which is x to the power of 6. Or else you can write one more step here. 3 plus 1 plus 2, which is equal to minus 1 is nothing but minus x to the power of 6. So here we have multiplied the given monomials and we have got the answer. Now we have to verify. As per question, first we have to find the product and then verify. So for verification, observe carefully, children, so that it will be helpful for the solving the next problems. Now consider LHS. Which is the LHS we consider here? LHS will be now 1 by 2 x to the power of 3 into minus 10x into 1 by 5 x square. So this becomes the LHS for us children, and the answer we get here we will be considered as the RHS. Now let us first verify LHS 1 by 2, and we are going to verify LHS for the value of x will be 1. Why did they give the value of x here children? So that we are going to substitute in place of x, we are going to substitute 1 children. See what I have done here, 1 by 2 I have written the same. In place of x, I have written 1 children, 1 to the power of 3. Only the place of x is replaced with 1. Other numbers are kept as it is. Now let me close the brackets here. You can use the big brackets children. Into, again, minus 10 into, what is the value of x here? 1. So in place of x, I have substituted 1. Again, use the brackets. 1 by 5. In place of x, we have to substitute with the 1 to the power of 2. Hope this step is understood, children. Here in this step, we are going to replace the value of x as 1. In the next step, let us again simplify 1 by 2 as it is. 1 to the power of 3. 1 multiplied 3 times is 1 again. Into 1, and in the next bracket we have minus 10 into 1 is minus 10 into 1 by 5 into 1 square is 1 again. Now in the last step, 1 by 2 into 1 is 1 by 2 into minus 10 into 1 by 5. Now you have to observe here. Here again it is cancelable. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. 5 and 5 is left here. 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5. Here 1 is having minus sign. Don't forget the minus sign, children. Therefore, the answer is minus 1. Now, after solving for LHS, let us consider RHS. Children, RHS here we have to consider after solving the monomials, what answer we get is considered as RHS, that is minus x to the power of 6. Here, in place of x, we know we have to substitute 1. You have to use the brackets, children. See what I have done, minus sign I have written separately. In place of x, I have written 1 power of 6. 6 power, for what? The power is 6, children, only for x. So I have used the brackets here and written the power as 6. Now minus sign as it is, 1 to the power of 6. 1 multiplied 6 times, children. When you multiply 1, if you are multiplying 1 as many number of times, we get the answer 1 only. So I write 1 here. The RHS will be minus 1. You can observe LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, verified. So these are the steps we have to follow in this whole chapter, children. What we have to do is, we have to multiply the given algebraic expressions. We get the answer. The question what we get is considered as our LHS, and they will give the values of the variables. We have to substitute them and get the answer, and the answer what we get here is considered as RHS. Again we have to simplify. We will observe LHS will be always equal to RHS. Then only we can write hence verified. Children, next question let us see. That is, find the product of the given algebraic expression and also verify the result for x, y and z. Here we have the variables x, y and z, children. So in place of x we have to substitute this. But before that we have to find the product. Let me write the question here. Question number 5. Minus 3xyz into 4 by 9 x square z into minus 27 by 2 x y square z. We have the monomial children. We have to follow the same rule here. Minus 3 into 4 by 9 into minus 27 by 2. So what I have done here, I have grouped all the constants in one bracket. In next bracket, let us take the common variables, that is x into x square into x. Again, in the next bracket, we have to observe what is the next variable. Here you have y, you don't have y here. Here you have y square. So I am going to multiply y into y square into, again you have z into z into z. In this way, we have grouped them which are common. Constants in one group, common variables in other groups. Next, here, if it is possible, cancel children. I am going to cancel with the 9 table. 9 ones are 9, 9 threes are 27, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Minus into minus is plus, 3 twos are 6, 6 threes are 18. X into x to the power of 2. Nothing is there, we will write 1 children. So, x into x to the power of 2 into x. So, x to the power of 1 plus 2 plus 1, which is 4. Y to the power of 1 plus 2 is 3. Z to the power of, nothing is there means it is understood. 1 will always be there. When bases are same, you should add the powers. So, Z to the power of 3. So, now we have to consider the given question as LHS. And the answer we get as RHS. Children, consider LHS for verification. The value of x is given as 2. Value of y is given as 3. Value of z is given as minus 1. Now consider LHS, which is minus 3xyz, 4 by 9 x square z, minus 27 by 2 x y square z. Here, minus 3 into, what is the value of x children? 2. Substitute with 2 into, what is the value of y? 3. In place of z, we are going to write minus 1. Close the brackets. Again, 4 by 9 into, here you have x square. So, in place of x, I am going to write 2 square as it is. Into, what is z children? Value of z is minus 1. Then minus 27 by 2 as it is into x. X is 2 again into y square, which is 3 square into z value is minus 1. In this way, first we have to consider LHS, and the next step is substitution. We have to substitute the given values of x, y, z in their places. After substituting, let us solve them. Minus into minus is plus. 3 twos are 6, 6 threes are 18. Here you have one bracket, 4 by 9. If you have exponents children like powers, if you have, first you should solve them first and then cancel. 2 square. 2 square means 2 is multiplied 2 times children. So 2 square means 2 into 2. 2 into 2 is 4 into minus 1 as it is. Here in the next bracket, minus 27 by 2 into 2 and then into 3 square is 3 is multiplied 3 times. 3 3s are 9 into minus 1. Now you just check it. In this step, can you cancel any numbers? 2 ones are 2 ones are. In the next step, we are going to write 18. No numbers are cancelled here, children. So into 4 fours are 16 by 9. Here minus 1 is there, minus sign we keep into. In the this bracket, minus into minus, which is plus 27 into 9 is there, children. So 9 I write here. If nothing is there in the denominator, we know we'll write 1. In this step again, you observe we can cancel the numbers. 9 ones are 9, 9 threes are 27. After multiplying these numbers, children, that is 18 into minus 16 into 3 into 9. We are going to get, because minus sign is there, we get the 7776. In the right hand side, let us consider the given answer, children. What we have got, 18 x to the power of 4, y to the power of 3, z to the power of 3. We know to substitute. In the place of x, we are going to write the x value is 2, 2 to the power of 2, 4 into y to the power of, that is 3 to the power of 3 minus 1 to the power of 3. 18 into 2 to the power of 4, children, which is 2 is multiplied 4 times. That is 4, 2 to the 4, 2 the 8, 8 to the 16. You should always remember 2 to the power of 4 is 16, 3 to the power of 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, minus 1, which is multiplied 3 times. See, children, minus into minus is plus, plus into minus is minus again. So 1 multiplied 3 times is 1. Here we have to know this property, children. See, if I take minus 1 2 times, what will be the answer? Minus into minus is plus, 1 ones are 1. Here you should observe, if a minus sign is multiplied 3 times, you get minus. But if you multiply minus sign 2 times, you get plus. So what we understand here, if the number of times minus sign is multiplied odd number of times, 3 is odd, so the answer will be in negative. If the minus sign is multiplied in even time, that is here 2 times we are going to multiply minus sign, we get a plus. So by observing the power only, we can guess whether the answer will be minus or plus here. So the minus 1 multiplied 3 times is minus 1. So altogether 18 into 16 into 27 will be 7776 with the negative sign. Here we get LHS is equal to RHS, hence verified. Children, next question is, find the product of A square B C square and A square B C square into 9A B square C square into minus 4 A B square C to the power of 4, and also verify the result for A is equal to 1 by 2, B is equal to minus 1 and C is equal to 1. Here also we have to find the product and verify the result. Children, here you have the question. Let us first multiply. Find the product means we have to multiply what we do here, we are going to group the constants. So constant, if nothing is there, it is understood always we have 1 here. So 1 into 9 into minus 4. Next bracket we have a square into a into a. And then again you have bracket b into b square into b square. The next step, c term. C term is c square into c square into c to the power of 4. In this way, we have grouped the variables as well as constants. In the next step, plus into minus is minus 9 fours are 36. 8 power will be 2 plus 1 which is 4 children. B to the power of 2 plus 1 which is 5. C to the power of 2 plus 4 that is 8. So we have got the answer. Here the question is considered as LHS and the answer we get is RHS. For verification, consider LHS, which is a square b c square into 9 ab square c square into minus 4a b square c to the power of 4. Now in place of a, we have got the values of a, b and c children. A is 1 by 2. So use big brackets. A place is 1 by 2 square. See, the value of a is given as 1 by 2. And square is there. Use the brackets and write square. What is the value of b here? B is minus 1. And what is the value of c? C, it is given here 1. So 1 square. Close the brackets. Next you have 9 into, what is the value of a children? 1 by 2. B is minus 1 into c is 1 square. Then we have next bracket, that is minus 4 into value of a is 1 by 2 into b square is minus 1 to the power of 2. C is 1 to the power of 4. Now, since you have got the square or the powers in the brackets, first remove the bracket powers children. 1 by 2 square means we have to multiply 1 by 2 how many times? 2 times. Into minus 1 into 1 square is 1. Next we have 9 into 1 by 2 into minus 1 into 1 square 2 times. Again it is 1. Then in the next step, minus 4 into 1 by 2 into minus 1 multiplied 2 times. So it is even number. We have 1 answer children into 1 to the power of 4 is 1 again. Here you can observe, we can cancel 2 ones are 2 twos are with the minus sign. Here no cancellation. Here directly multiply. Plus into minus is minus 1 by 4. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 4 into. In this bracket you are left with the minus sign. 9 means 9 by 1 children. So 9 into 1, 9. In the denominator 1 into 2 is 2. So minus 9 by 2 into the next bracket. We have minus sign with the 2. Minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. Here you can observe, we can cancel numerator. 2 ones are 2 ones are. You are left with the minus into minus, which is minus again 9 by 4. This is LHS we have got children. Now we have to go for RHS. So before you go for RHS, let us see that b square is there children here. So it will be minus 1 whole square. So it will be plus here. So the sign is plus. Change it to plus sign. So plus 9 by 4 you get. Now I consider RHS. RHS is minus 36, a to the power of 4, b to the power of 5, c to the power of 8. In place of minus 36 I write as it is into a to the power of. A is 1 by 2 to the power of 4. B is minus 1 to the power of 5. C is 1 to the power of 8. So you get minus 36. 1 to the power of 2, we are multiplying 4 times. You know 2 multiplied 4 times is 16, children. So 1 by 2 multiplied 4 times will be 1 by 16 into minus 1 multiplied 5 times. You have odd number. So in answer you get minus sign. Write 1 as it is into 1 to the power of 8 is 1. Here we are going to cancel with the 4 table. 4 4s are 16. 4 9s are 36. Minus into minus is plus 9 by 4. In this way we get the LHS is equal to RHS. Hence verified. So in this way we have solved 5th, 6th, 4th, 5th, 6th main children. Next is 7th, 8th and 9th children. Here I want you to do it yourself. Take it as homework children. 7th, 8th and 9th. I'll give you a hint here. Find the area of a rectangle whose sides are 2a and 3a. Here for 7th question, if you have rectangle and the sides of the rectangle is represented as length and breadth. The dimensions for rectangle is length and breadth. Here the two sides are given, that is 2a and 3a. We have to find the area of this rectangle. We know the area of the rectangle is length into breadth. So you have to multiply simply these two, you will get the answer children. In question number 8, find the area of the rectangle whose length is thrice its breadth, where breadth is 4x. Children, here breadth is given as 4x and length is given as, it is 3 times. Thrice means 3 times its breadth. Length is 3 times. 3 times its breadth. That is, you have to write in this way. 3 into 4x, which will be 12x. So you have length and breadth. Multiply these two, you will get the area. Just write them in square units. Next you have find the area of rectangle whose breadth is b and length is square of breadth. These three questions are of same type children. You have to solve it on your own and write it in CW. Next we shall go for multiplication of a monomial and a binomial. As we know, monomial means the algebraic expression having single term. Binomial means the algebraic expression having two terms. Here, when you are multiplying a monomial and a binomial, we are going to follow some simple methods here, children. Suppose here you have A is one term, that is, and the algebraic expression having only single term. One more algebraic expression we have two terms, that is B plus C. Now in this way, if you are multiplying monomial with the binomial, what we do here, we are going to multiply A with B first plus A with C next. That is, we are going to multiply in this way, A into B plus A into C. To understand this better children, let me solve one example here. Suppose you have 2a square into 9b square plus 5ab. This is multiplication of monomial and a binomial. Here you have A, in brackets you have B plus C. You have monomial and a binomial. How to multiply a monomial with a binomial? So here, first we are going to multiply 2a square. 2a square into this term, that is 9b square, and then plus sign as it is. Again outside is 2a square into the second term 5ab. Now two nines are, we know how to multiply the monomials. We have done in the worksheet 1, children. Monomial with a monomial, monomial with a monomial. We know how to group them. 9 twos are 18, a square into b square, which is a square b square, plus as it is. Here you have constants. Multiply them first. 2 5s are 10, a square into a, which is a cube, b as it is. So in this way, we are going to multiply the given monomial with a binomial. Children, with this explanation, let us solve the problems from worksheet number 2, some of the problems, so that you can understand well. First one is find the product. In that first one, you have x square plus 3xy in plus 4x. So outside you have 4x, children, sorry. So here, this is the question like this. X square plus 3xy is a binomial, and outside you have got 4x. Let me show you in the textbook. X square plus 3xy is a binomial, 4x is the monomial. So in this way, we are going to multiply the monomial with a binomial. Now you can as 4x into x square plus 3xy. So I have written 4x here in the left side and this binomial in the right side, so that it will be easy to multiply, children. So what we are going to do, this we are going to consider as A, these two as B and C. A will be multiplied with B first time plus A into C. So what we do here, 4x into x square, write it in the brackets, plus sign as it is, again a into c, that is a into c, use the brackets, 4x into 3xy. Now we know how to multiply the monomials. 4x into x square is 4x to the power of 3 plus 4 3s are 12, x into x is x square, y as it is. So in this way, we have multiplied the given monomial with the binomial. Next you have 9PQR is a monomial and this is a binomial, children. If this is A, this is B and this is C. We are going to multiply first A with B, minus sign as it is, again A with C. 9PQR into 2 in P square Q in one bracket, minus sign will be kept as it is. The first term again outside term 9PQR into 3Q square R. So in this way we have grouped them. Now we are going to multiply first constants. 9 2s are 18. P into P square is PQ. Q into Q is Q square. R as it is. The next bracket minus you have before bracket. We get minus sign right as it is. Inside the brackets you have constants. That is 9 into 3. 9 3s are 27. P, only one P is here, children. You don't have P here. So write only P. Q into Q square is QQ. R into R is R square. In this main, we have the last question, that is 3 by 4 a square into, we know how to multiply 3 by 4 a square into 2 by 3 b square. In one bracket, plus sign as it is. Again 3 by 4 a square into 8 ab. Children, here you can observe the constants can be cancelled directly. So what I do here, I am going to cancel 3 ones are 3 ones are, 2 ones are 2 twos are. Here 4 ones are 4 twos are. Multiply the constants if you have, left with the 1 by 2 a square and b square here, plus 3 in the denominator you have nothing. Here you have 2. 3 twos are 6 a square b. So we have multiplied monomial with a binomial. Hope you have understood well, children. Thank you, children.